Hello everyone, my name is Tarun and you're watching me at IELTS with Tarun channel on YouTube. So guys, today I'm in front of you to talk about confidence that is required to appear in your IELTS speaking module. Okay, so guys, as such, if you look at the marking criteria of the speaking module, you will not see any kind of marks for confidence, because confidence is not just a single term, it is required in each and every field of speaking. So we'll see first that what is the marking criteria of your IELTS speaking module, and then we will discuss that how confidence is important in each and every criteria or each and every parameter for that matter. Okay, so let us see. Guys, there are 4 parameters in which you will be judged, and the first one is pronunciation. Pronunciation has a 25% weightage. Guys, if we talk about Punjabis, they usually do not have a lot of pronunciation problems. They have just one problem, that is the mother tongue influence. And you might have seen my video that how we can take care of that. And the second thing is grammar and relevancy. Both of them collectively hold a weightage of 25%. Usage of lexical resources. Guys, usage of lexical resources is your vocabulary. Again, they want to see that the kind of topic they are discussing, do you have a vocabulary range in that particular topic itself? For example, if they are talking about mobile communication or if they are talking about technology, so they will see that if you have relevant information about or the relevant vocabulary about the technology or not. Ma'am, if you don't mind, can you please switch off the fan? I think it's disturbing me. Thank you. Okay, the third parameter was usage of lexical resources, that is your vocabulary, and the final is fluency, which also holds a weightage of 25%. And guys, self-confidence has 100% weightage. What do we mean by this? I mean to say that if I am not confident, it is for sure that I will be losing marks on fluency. An inconfident person will always take inappropriate pauses while speaking. I will take a hit on grammar and relevancy as well, because if a person is not confident, he will always keep on thinking that I am going off track or not. While speaking, 25% of his mind or 50% of his mind will be utilized to overcome his nervousness, and the rest 50% will be utilized for showing your English proficiency to the examiner. So guys, that is the reason I'm saying that self-confidence has 100% weightage, and if you do not have that, आपके एग्जामिनर को बहुत आराम से पता चल जाएगा that a person is not feeling confident sitting in front of me. Guys, देखिए, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिससे कि आप अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा सकते हैं. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि ऐसा सोचो कि जो सामने वाला आदमी है वो तो बेवकूफ़ है, उसको कुछ नहीं आता, और फिर बोलो और देखो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आता है. तो गाइस, इन ऑर्डर टू थिंक लाइक दैट यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ करेज. अगर सामने वाले को आप बुद्धू समझते हो, आपके अंदर बहुत करेज होना चाहिए, तभी आप सामने वाले को बुद्धू समझ पाओगे. गाइस, यू शुड हैव कॉन्फिडेंस इन योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, जो मेरे सामने आदमी बैठा है अंग्रेजी में वो मेरे से अच्छा है, बट बिल्कुल बेकार आदमी तो मैं भी नहीं हूँ. मेरे अंदर बहुत सारी ऐसी स्किल्स हैं जो प्रॉबेबली मेरे सामने वाले आदमी में नहीं है. सो इफ यू थिंक लाइक दिस, that will give you confidence. अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं रहेंगे तो बहुत ही ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि आप वोकैबुलरी भी अच्छी यूज़ नहीं कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज द वर्ड्स, गुड वर्ड्स विल नॉट स्ट्राइक इन योर माइंड if you are not confident. Guys, what happens is, today I'm standing in front of you and I'm speaking pretty confidently. Probably I might be making mistakes, but still I'm confident. Why? Because I know that the people who will watch my video, they want to learn something from me. अगर वो आदमी मेरे से कुछ ना कुछ सीखना चाहता है, इसका मतलब कि मेरे पास उससे ज़्यादा नॉलेज है, तो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस ऑटोमेटिकली बिल्ड होगा. अगर मुझे पता है कि कम्युनिकेशन के मामले में मेरे सामने वाला आदमी भी मेरा बाप है, मेरे से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा करता है वो, तो बहुत ही ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि बोलते हुए मैं जगह जगह पे रुकूंगा, बोलते हुए मेरी फ्लुएंसी और मेरी ग्रामर शायद ख़राब हो जाए. सो गाइज, दिस गेनिंग कॉन्फिडेंस इज नॉट अ गेम ऑफ 1 मिनट. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका दिमाग में एक स्विच है, अगर आप उसको ऑफ कर देंगे तो आपको सामने वाला बंदा बेवकूफ़ लगेगा, अगर उसको ऑन कर देंगे तो आपको सामने वाला बंदा बहुत ही घैंट लगेगा. ऐसा नहीं होता. यू विल हैव टू मेक अ कॉन्शियस एफर्ट ऑन दैट. हर रोज व्हेन यू गिव योर एग्जाम और व्हेन यू गिव योर स्पीकिंग टू योर ट्यूटर, you will have to think the same thing every day, and then you will be able to do it in the final exam in some hotel when you will sit in front of a person who will be taking your IELTS exam in speaking. So to conclude, I just want to say that you need to make a conscious effort every day consistently to feel confident while speaking. That is the Guru Mantra. How we can do that? There are a lot of ways and I will be explaining them in my coming videos as well. But today, as a tip, I would like to tell you that try to do pictorial representation. अपने दिमाग में thoughts लाने के बजाय अपने दिमाग में pictures लानी शुरू करो. So when you will do pictorial representation, then you might forget that what kind of a person is sitting in front of you, and you will start feeling confident. So guys, this was just an introductory confidence video which I wanted to share with you. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that when I will post more videos about confidence, you can get a notification. If you want to get in touch with me, you can call me at 78144-28104. I use the WhatsApp on the same number. Please make sure that you can send me a message as well.